Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning. So today I would like to present to all of you my final year project 1. So this is my information. So my name is Muhammad Naim bin Faizul. My metric number is A10CS0092. I am taking software engineering at the University Technology Malaysia. So the title that I choose for my FYP is Hajj and Umrah Management System. The introduction, as we know that Tabung Haji is one of the famous registered agency in Malaysia. So many people around Malaysia trying to get the Tabung Haji as their agency when they want going to do the Hajj. This is because Tabung Haji has a good facilities. For example, is Tabung Haji provide learning Hajj course that to improve the knowledge for the people that register below the Tabung Haji. Tabung Haji, why Tabung Haji doing this? The reason is to make sure that all of the people that register below them know the knowledge about doing the Hajj, and also to avoid something that not good when doing the Hajj. Okay, for the program background is when Tabung Haji provide the Hajj course, so they need to get the attendance from the people that register, and also want to know the knowledge about the Hajj course. So there are a few problems that happen when Tabung Haji provide these facilities. So a few problem is attendance are taken manually using the paper that printed their name. So all of the people that register need to sign the attendance, to sign at the paper every day. Every day come to the Hajj course. So the aim is there are a few solutions for this problem that can be solved to make sure that all of the process become more easily and more effectively. The solution is to build a responsive system that is a mobile application to allow all of the prospective pilgrim use, and also the moderator can use to make the process become more easier. The objective of this project is to identify and understand the problem that happen during the Hajj course, to produce the solution to all the problem that happen, and also to develop a test system to all prospective pilgrim. Okay, for the project scope is firstly is to all the prospective pilgrim that attend the Hajj course, and to all the people that are dream to perform pilgrim. The second one is to all the moderator that conduct the Hajj course, and the third one is this application is only cover the Hajj and Umrah course, not about the Tabung Haji about the information about the tabung haji. So this app is available on Android and iOS. So both platform can use. So the last one is the app is mainly targeted toward a Muslim to orang Islam. So for this project, I'm choose to develop a mobile application. So a mobile application is a software application developed specifically for use on a small wireless computer device, uh, such as a smartphone and tablet, rather than desktop, laptop, or computer. So mobile app are something categorized according to whether they are web-based or native app, which are created specifically for a given platform. A third category is hybrid app, combine element of both native and web application. For a technology that matured, it expected that mobile application development effort will focus on creation of the browser-based. So this is the best way to do the Hajj and Umrah management system. Okay, for the technology use, I'm choose Flutter. Okay, Flutter is free and also open source mobile app created and published by Google in May 2017. Flutter also allow the creation of native mobile app with a single code base, meaning that we can create one single coding for iOS and Android, so no need to create one for Android and one for iOS. So Flutter is composed of two major parts. First is an SDK, software development kit, and also a framework widget based of UI library. So SDK is a series of tools that will enable you to create your application. This include tool for compiling the code into native machine. So for a framework is a collection of reusable UI, for example button, text, input that can you customize for your own requirement. So the language for Flutter is called Dart. One of the reason that I'm choosing the Flutter is Flutter can change the code in real time. This function is called hot reload. It is just take a short time to update the program itself after you save. So with these advantages, I think this project can be done in a more efficient. Flutter also support to use the Firebase as a backend service that Google provide. Firebase is a free developer to concentrate on creating fantastic user experience. Using this Firebase will make you become more easier because we do not have to manage the server and write the API. Firebase is above all. Firebase is a server, API, and data store, all written in a such standardized that can customize for what we need. Okay, for the agile, for the methodology, I'm choosing the agile for my project. So there are four key principles for agile management, which is individual and interaction over tool and process, application for working on comprehensive document, communication with the client during contract negotiation, and respond to the strategic change. Uh, Agile concentrate on functionality of the program. Each functionality is built separately to concentrate on critical functionality that the customer need to offer. So using the Agile will get the feedback of the customer we receive upon delivery. Customer usually can take part comment on the publication increment profit. It helps increase the productivity interaction more rapidly to involving requirement, internal procedure, and eliminating the design that have problem in design. Agile also have a flexible approach that can cope with change. It eliminates the rework costs that involve both evaluation requirement and introducing new features. So Agile have many different methods that can be used, but for this project I'm gonna choose the Scrum methodology. Okay, for the Scrum methodology is have three part is a plan, iteration, and release. For a plan is planning step has to be carried out to identify the content and the case study of the hash and umbrah management system issue. So we study out, we identify the problem or the things that have on the hash and umbrah management system. Okay, for the iteration is more system to be split into features in iteration process. Okay, for the release is uh, when the hash and umbrah management is already a full program in the release process. After a few check error and multiple iteration, hash and umbrah management will be ready for release to the customer. So this is a complete use case diagram for the hash and umbrah management system. There are 5 modules and 6 use case. For use case 1 and use case 2 is an inner module user for register and manage user info. So the prospective can log in to the system and also the can view the information, can view the profile. And also for the admin also can also only can view the profile of the prospective. For the module for the use case 3 is manage attendant in the module 2 which is attendant. So prospective will scan the attendant using the QR code and save to the database. So the admin will view the attendant record for all of the prospective. Okay, for the use case 4 is the manage tutorial. Manage tutorial is in a module 3 which is tutorial. Okay, uh, prospective allow to view the tutorial. The tutorial has a few topic and so so the prospective can view the topic. And also for the admin can manage the tutorial which is can update, can delete or can insert a new tutorial. Okay, for the use case 5 is manage quiz in a module 4 which is a quiz. So the prospective can attempt the quiz. There are 3 level of quiz for level 1, level 2, level 3. So the prospective can attend the quiz and the admin can view the record, view the quiz score of the prospective. So the last one is a use case C for managed forum. So in a module forum, so this is where the prospective can create a forum to ask a question to the admin. So when the prospective send the forum, so the admin will see the forum and will get the question, so it can be answer the question. Okay, it's all about the use case. So this is the same for this is the actor. We have two actor, Haj, Pilgrim and admin. So this is what the boss of actor can do: log in, update info, scan QR code, tutorial, and so on. So for the conclusion is I have already tell you in a detail about all of the chapter from chapter 1 to chapter 5. So I think that's all for me. Thank you.